Unlock your agile potential. Scrum Master certification in Pune by Scale Up Consultants. Hello, future Scrum Masters. Are you ready to supercharge your career and become a master of agile methodologies? Look no further, because today, we're diving into the world of Scrum Master certification in Pune, brought to you by Scale Up Consultants. I'm your coach Vineet Patni, and I'll be your guide on this transformative journey. Before we delve into the details, let's quickly touch upon the importance of Scrum and why becoming a certified Scrum Master is a game changer in today's dynamic business landscape. Scrum provides a framework for agile project management, fostering collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Why Scrum Master certification matters. As organizations increasingly adopt agile practices, the demand for skilled Scrum Masters is skyrocketing. Whether you're looking to enhance your project management skills, lead high-performing teams, or simply elevate your career to the next level, a Scrum Master certification is your golden ticket. Scale Up Consultants, your path to mastery. Now, let's talk about why Scale Up Consultants is the ideal choice for your Scrum Master certification in Pune. Our comprehensive training program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and practical skills needed to excel in real-world scenarios. Led by industry experts, our courses go beyond the theoretical, ensuring you're ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Key highlights of our Scrum Master certification course. Interactive and engaging sessions. Say goodbye to boring lectures. Our courses are designed to keep you engaged and actively learning throughout the program. Real-world case studies. Learn from real-life examples and apply your knowledge in practical situations, preparing you for the challenges of the professional world. One-on-one coaching. Receive personalized guidance from experienced Scrum Masters who are dedicated to your success. Job placement assistance. We don't just stop at certification. Our team is committed to helping you land your dream role through job placement support and networking opportunities. At Scale Up Consultants, we believe in not just meeting but exceeding your expectations. Our commitment to your success extends beyond the classroom, and we take pride in fostering a community of agile leaders. Ready to take the leap and become a certified Scrum Master with Scale Up Consultants? Visit our website at www.scaleupconsultants.com or click the link in the description below to learn more about our upcoming courses. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your career and become a driving force in the world of agile project management. Thank you for joining me today on this exciting journey into the world of Scrum Master certification. Remember, the key to unlocking your agile potential starts with Scale Up Consultants. See you in class. Thanks for watching.